So we know that the standard form of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, where a is not equals to 0 for all a, b, c belongs to real numbers, right? So the quadratic equation can have two roots, can have at most two roots. So that is the roots of the given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Right, see the denominator minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. So this my plus 2a by minus 2 including the minus b also. Okay, so x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So it has two distinct roots, right? So one is plus, another root is minus. See the difference, x is equals to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and x is equals to another root, that is minus b. This is instead of plus, we should take minus here, right? So minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Right, if delta is equals to 0, so b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then the roots of the given quadratic equations are, see, x is equals to minus b plus square root of the whole term, the b square minus 4ac. Instead of b square minus 4ac, we should take 0, right? So that is first of all we need to divide the minus, we need to separate the terms, this 2a by the first term minus b by 2a, and the second term, that is plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. See the here, see the given equation can be rewritten as, if b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then the roots are x is equals to, see, minus b. When we separate this 2a by the first term and second term, we get x is equals to minus b by 2a plus of square root of b square 4ac, b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Is it clear to all children? This is the major confusion for your examination while you are writing the exam. Okay, so be careful on that. So x is equals to, when we convert this, when we separate the given denominator into numerator and into the first term and second term, we get x is equals to minus b by 2a plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we know that delta is equals to 0, then the roots are equal. So here instead of b square minus 4ac, we should take 0. So we know that the value of root 0, the square root of 0 is 0. So 0 by anything is always 0. So we get x is equals to minus b by 2a. Okay, let me check in the second root, that is x is equals to minus b square root minus b minus of square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here also, see, minus b by 2a minus, instead of b square minus 4ac, we should take 0. The square root of 0, it is 0 only. So by separating the denominator into the first term and second term, we should get that is minus b by 2a minus of square root of 0 by 2a. So we know that square root of 0 is always 0. 0 by anything is always 0. Then the remaining x is equals to minus 2 by, x is equals to minus b by 2a, right? So here we, in the plus term, we get x is equals to minus b by 2a. After simplification in the minus term also, we should get the same answer, that is minus b by 2a. Therefore delta is equals to 0. It has two real and equal roots, so that is minus b by a. Is it clear to all children? Yes. for this we have a sum. Find the discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equals 0, and hence find the nature of its roots. Find them if they are real, right? So we need to find the roots of the given quadratic equation, that is 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equals 0. Here the value of a is 3 and the value of b is minus 2 and the constant term c is plus 1 by 3. So we know that the discriminant of the quadratic equation is b square minus 4ac. When we substitute the value of b, a and c in the given equation, discriminant of the quadratic equation, we get c instead of b we should take minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is plus 1 by 3. So here see, when we multiply this minus into minus we get to plus 2 to the 4, right? So minus 2 whole square becomes plus 4 minus 4 into this is 3 into 1 by 3. See, 3 ones gets cancelled, then remaining plus 4 and minus 4 is equals to 0. Again plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled, then remaining we get 0. Therefore b square minus 4ac equals 0. b square minus 4ac equals 0. Okay, so if the b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, that is delta is equals to 0, the roots are real and equal. Therefore delta is equals to minus b by 2a and delta is equals to minus b by 2a according to the last conditions. According to the C, this is the condition. Roots of the given equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, that is x is equals to minus 2 by minus b by 2a and x is equals to minus b by 2a are the real roots and equal roots of the given quadratic equation. So if delta is equals to 0, roots are real and equal, right? So delta is equals to minus b by 2a, so minus into, we can substitute b has minus 2 and 2 into a is 3, so minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2, then 2 3s are 6. After simplification, after division, we get 2 ones are 2 3s are 6. So that is 1 by 3. So in the second root, we need to find the another root, that is minus b by 2a. So delta is equals to minus, this is formula minus, and the value of b is minus 2 by 2 into a is 3. This is 3. This is 3, where delta is equals to minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2, again 2 3s are, it is 6. By simplification, say 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, hence we get delta is equals to 1 by 3. So therefore the given two equal roots are 1 by 3 and 1 by 3, right? Hence 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, we'll continue in the next class. Thank you one and all children. Have a nice day.